Hi writers, welcome to this video. I am going to show you how to post to the assignment folder. This week's assignment, you have your two-page reading response that is due. The assignment folder is linked on the home page, so I'm going to show you how to post there. Okay, in order to post to the assignment folder, I have to impersonate a student. So I'm going to switch over my settings to student view. So that way it looks just the same way it looks when you are posting. And so now I am in student view. I'm on the home page here. When I click over to the assignment folder on the home page, there are two discussions, and the last one here is where you're going to post your two-pager. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here. The assignment folders look like this. They will show a submit assignment button so that you know how to submit. The prompts are always on here. You can scroll down and read over the prompt. Make sure you're following directions. When you're ready to post, you're going to click on submit. Before you can submit your assignment, you have to work in Word, Microsoft Word, and save it as a DOC or DOCX or a PDF file. In order to do that, you'll have to either go to the lab or Google that if you're not sure how to save to your computer or your thumb drive, or you can also save to your desktop. If you're using Google Docs, you have to convert it to a doc or DOCX or PDF file, which is super easy to do with the click of a button on the drop-down menu in Google Docs. So again, you click on submit. You're going to choose your file just like you would if you were attaching on an email. You can just double click it. I'll do the sample one here to show you. You can double click it or you can click enter. So the file is now right here. It's the student sample. When you're ready to submit, you can leave me a comment like, "Hi, Professor Walker. I would like help on," and then you can tell me what you need help on. So say you want help on punctuation, or you want help on rhetorical triangle application, or anything that you want help on with the reading response, or anything you might feel a little insecure about, or you want me to look specifically at. After you leave me a tag here or a note in the text box, you're going to agree to the licensing and you're going to submit your assignment. Once you submit your assignment, it will give you a confirmation saying that it has been submitted. I'm going to scoot it over so you can see it. This is my verification saying that I have submitted it. If I click on this, it's submission details, so it's a confirmation. Again, your file should be able to open and you should get a submitted confirmation there. So that's how you post your two-page response to the home page assignment folder. If you need help, watch the video again or go to the tutoring center or the writing center and seek out a resource. Good luck.